What would you do if the person you loved the most turned their back on you? What if your own child, the child you raised with love, sacrifice, and tears, threw you out of your home like a stranger? Today's story is not just sad, it's powerful, it's emotional, and the ending will leave you shocked. So stay with me till the end, because what this mother did next changed an entire town forever. A mother's sacrifice. In a small, quiet town lived an old woman named Margaret. She was poor. Her clothes were simple. Her house was small. But her heart, it was bigger than the whole town. Margaret had raised her son Daniel alone. Her husband had died when Daniel was just 5 years old. From that day on, Margaret became both mother and father. She worked long hours as a cleaner. She skipped meals so Daniel could eat. She wore old shoes so he could buy new ones. Every night, she prayed only one prayer: God, please make my son successful and happy. And God listened. Success changed him. Daniel grew up smart. He studied hard. He got a good job in the city. Soon, he became rich. A big house, a nice car, expensive clothes. People praised him. But slowly, success changed his heart. He stopped visiting his mother. He stopped calling her. When Margaret came to the city, Daniel felt embarrassed. Her old clothes, her tired face. She doesn't belong in my world, he thought. That was the moment greed entered his heart. The shameful act. One cold evening, Margaret came to Daniel's house. She smiled, holding homemade food. Daniel, she said softly, I missed you. But Daniel's face was cold. His wife whispered, Why is she always here? Daniel snapped. Mom, he said loudly, you embarrass me. Margaret froze. This is my house now, Daniel continued. You don't belong here anymore. Then he opened the door. Leave. Margaret's hands shook. This is your home too, she whispered. But Daniel pushed her out, and the door closed. That night, a mother slept on the street. A lonely night. Margaret sat outside, hugging her old shawl. Tears rolled down her face. She didn't curse her son. She didn't shout. She looked at the sky and said, God, take care of my child. A shopkeeper saw her and gave her water. A stranger offered her a blanket. But no one knew who she really was. That night, something inside Margaret changed. She decided, I will not beg. I will stand on my feet. What she did next, Margaret moved to a nearby village. She started working again, cleaning, cooking, helping children. People respected her kindness. One day, a journalist heard her story. He wrote about the mother thrown out by her own son. The story went viral. People donated money. The town helped her. Margaret didn't keep the money for luxury. She opened a free food shelter for poor mothers and homeless elders. She named it A Mother's Heart. The shocking day, months later, the town organized an event To honor Margaret, the mayor invited everyone, including Daniel. When Daniel arrived, he froze. On stage stood his mother, stronger, braver, respected. The mayor said, "This woman was abandoned by her son, but she chose kindness over revenge." Daniel's legs shook. Margaret looked at him. She smiled, not with anger, but with love. The whole town watched. Daniel fell to his knees. "I'm sorry, Mom," he cried. Margaret helped him stand. She said softly, "I lost my home, but I didn't lose my heart." She forgave him. The town applauded. People cried. Daniel changed his life. He helped the poor. He honored his mother. And Margaret? She became a symbol, a reminder that greed can destroy families, but kindness can rebuild souls. If this story touched your heart, remember one thing: never forget the hands that raised you, because a mother's heart is stronger than rejection, stronger than pain, and stronger than greed.